Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's Clean With Me. Now, I have a confession. As you can see by my appearance, I wasn't technically planning on filming on this particular day. I am in pajamas, I don't think I've brushed my hair, and I had no intention of pulling out the camera. But I had so much to do on this day that I decided last minute that it would be a great motivational video, but I didn't quite have time to take the time to get ready. So, I always say that the goal on my channel is to give you guys a realistic look into what cleaning and motherhood looks like, and this is it, pajama bottoms and all. But on this particular day, I am actually getting ready for my daughter's 10th birthday party that we are hosting this evening. I needed to clean the house, I needed to decorate, and there was just a lot to do. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me on that. If you are new around here, my name is Sarah. Welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to pop by my video. I am a mommy to 6. I homeschool, and you're going to see my kids a lot in this video because they are always right at my feet. But like I said, I love to be really real over here on my channel and give you guys a true glimpse into what cleaning and just life in general with a bunch of kids looks like, hence the baby on the back. So if you guys are at all interested in that type of content, please be sure to go ahead and like this video, and I would love to have you subscribe and join my YouTube family. But with that being said, let's get to cleaning.
How does a light shine in the dark? How does a fire start from a spark?
So I did want to take a moment and tell you guys how amazing this sectional is. I've talked about it before, but I'm going to rave about it again. It's seriously the most comfortable sectional that I have ever sat on, and it can fit so many people. I'm going to link it in the description box below because I get questions about it all of the time. You seriously need it in your life. But now we're moving on to the entryway space, and if you did miss my last video, I actually decorated this space for spring. So it did not need a whole lot of cleaning since I had just cleaned and decorated a few days ago, but I'm going to go ahead and link that video right here in the cards if you do want to check it out. But I'm just going to go ahead and give this one a quick wipe down and vacuum and kind of just get this entryway space ready for the party.
There's no better way, there's no better start. Won't give in, won't give up, and we're building up a castle from the ground. I hope you're ready, 'cause we're coming out.
We are now moving on to my main living space, which is like our most used room in the house. It is just full of toys and baby stuff, and like this area right here, we call this our charging station, and it was a mess. I also had not changed out the Christmas picture in this particular frame, so I'm doing that now, but this whole room just needed a quick refresh. It needed wiped down, it needed cleaned up a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and take the time to do that as quickly as possible, because with a baby on your back, you never know when the next meltdown is going to happen. Blair is currently 6 months old, and she is going through a super clingy phase, which I have to admit I don't hate. Since she is my last baby, I'm trying to take in all the snuggles and all the cuddles. But when you are a busy mom and need to get things done, sometimes it's not the most convenient. So I feel like I'm constantly like cleaning and feeling like there's a ticking time bomb getting ready to go off. It's like, how many things can I get accomplished before she gets upset again? Or how many things can I get accomplished before one of my toddlers throw a tantrum? You mamas understand, but that's real life around here. So this particular room, I was able to get most of it finished, but I did have to take a break in between because she got really fussy and tired.
Gotta come together, my friends. We will be together to the end. Coming every mountain to the end. Together forever, my friends. Yeah, 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 yeah. Together forever, my friends.
So I don't think I mentioned the theme of my daughter's 10th birthday party, but we are actually having a glamour party, and all of the girls are coming like really dressed up in fancy dresses, and my sister's coming over to help fix their hair and do their makeup, and it's just going to be super girly and fun. But we actually have a very elaborate balloon arch downstairs in our basement that we worked on the night before. So these are all of the like extra balloons that were left after making the balloon arch. So I decided instead of like popping them or just like throwing them downstairs that I would decorate my fireplace with them and just do something simplistic to bring a piece of the party into this main living space.
She's a hard to label, untamable woman. Just wait till you see her. She's a monumental, well-assembled stunner. You better believe it, yeah. Guarantee you've never seen better. There ain't no way you will forget her. You know it when you take her out tonight. She's not just one of the ladies. She ain't gonna fall for the same old lie. You're in trouble, baby. No time to take it slow. You gotta show what you got. Anything it takes to keep from moving on. You know it when you take her out tonight. She's not just one of the ladies. Yeah, she's gonna make you work for it. She's an independent, down-to-business woman. You can bet that in the moment she is gonna own it. She can put a man in his place, and she can steal the show for days. And when the spotlight hits the stage, boy, she is on it. Guarantee you've never seen better. There ain't no way you will forget her. You know it when you take her out tonight. She's not just one of the ladies. She ain't gonna fall for the same old lie. You're in trouble, baby. No time to
So I'm curious, let me know in the comments below how you all do birthday parties for your kids. Do you always like do something out of the house? Are you just doing smaller parties this year with everything going on in the world? I'm curious. And also, what is your favorite themed party that you have either gone to or thrown? Let me know below.
gonna make you work for it. And when you see those lights go down, and you know just what you found, no holding back, no time for that. Go on and get it, gotta make it last. Go to work. You know it when you take.
So obviously the kitchen required a lot of work, and now I'm going to go ahead and sweep the floor so I can mop it. Now, a lot of people ask me if I like my cordless vacuum, and the answer is yes and no. I do like it when I need to just do a quick clean, but I do not like the fact that it runs out of battery really, really fast, and the fact that it doesn't always pick up all of the crumbs on my hard floor. So since I'm going to be mopping today, I decided to go ahead and just pull out my old-fashioned broom and give it a good sweep before I decide to mop.
You know it when you take her out tonight. She's not just one of the ladies. She ain't gonna fall for the same old lie. You're in trouble, baby. No time to take it slow. You gotta show what you got. Anything it takes to keep from moving on. You know it when you take her out tonight. She's not just one of the ladies. Yeah.
I'm finishing up the last little bit of cleaning here in my formal dining room, and then we are going to start decorating for this party. I'm super excited with how all of this came out. It was really so cute. I feel like the girls had the best time. It was like the cutest little theme, and I didn't go overboard when it came to decorating, but the pieces that I found like really just made the party like come together. So this is actually a Walmart tablecloth, and the runner that is in my dining room was found off of Amazon. I'm going to link all of the party supplies down in the description box. That way if you want to recreate it, you can. But they were all just like the perfect little like girly touches for that 10-year-old glamour party.
Cut me out like a paper doll in a 50s magazine. I'll play the part just to catch a scent of your perfume.
I'm so obsessed with how this balloon arch turned out. It was 100% like the inspiration photo that I found on Amazon. This kit came with everything that you would need aside from a balloon like blower, but it was actually way more simple than I thought it would be to assemble, and it was the perfect backdrop for the girls' pictures.
Close our eyes, count to 3.
Today is a very special day because we are celebrating Miss McKinley's 10th birthday. So her birthday was actually the beginning of this month, but we're just now having her party, and we're having a few friends over, and we're having a glamour party. So right now she's got her dress on, and my sister is coming over to do her hair and her makeup, and we've got the house all decked out with all the girly things. So we're excited to get started, and hopefully it's a fun night. So we have a red carpet leading into the house, and all the girls are gonna come all dressed up. We've got this pretty sequin table runner right here for the main table for them to eat at. And then you'll hear kids in the background, but here's the kitchen table. We've got like this gold metallic tablecloth with their little treat bags that have like scrunchies and hair wraps in them. And then this is the main feature of the party. We've got this backdrop for the girls to like take pictures in front of.
Oh my gosh!
What's going on over here? You're so silly. Did bro push you fast?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so fun. This little girl's all dressed up too. She's trying to eat her dress, but great grandma got her this dress, so I figured it was the perfect time to wear it. So yeah, you all fancy too. She's obviously the center of attention at all times. I never wear jewelry, like ever, so my little boys are like, they keep grabbing my necklace and they're like, is that real diamonds? I'm like, no honey, this is costume jewelry, but look, this is why I don't wear jewelry, because they're constantly touching it. Boop.
There's one necklace I love playing with of yours.
Necklace.
It's a necklace, do you like it?
Yeah.
What's on it?
Another necklace.
Another necklace. Are those jewels?
Yeah.
Are they fake diamonds?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a sickle.
Are you mommy's boy?
Yeah.
Kinley's wanting the little boys to walk her friends in because the older boys are going on a play date. So do you want to get dressed up and walk the girls into the house like a gentleman? Yeah? They say they're going to. We'll see. What are you dressed like?
A man.
A man. Is that what you're going to do with your arm to walk the girls in? Yeah? Are you going to be a gentleman?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is she pretty? Oh, yeah.
Show me. That one, you just gonna escort them right in?
That's how you walk a lady. I love it. You're a gentleman.